Next, let's take a look at the messages. All right, so I pulled up the test version because I have an active conversation in here. So when we click on a conversation, the conversation will pop up in this little box here, and you'll see the person that we're talking to appear, and you'll also see a list of any conversation. So all of our conversations, um, they won't, as soon as someone is a connection, a conversation will pop up in here, and you'll be able to instantly start talking with them. But works just like any other, messaging feature on pretty much any other app. Type in something, and it's in, right? Yeah. So it's message feature. Send messages to each other. On the mobile version, pull up a little video, but this will look a little bit differently. All of your conversations will be in a big long row directly underneath the person that you're talking to, and you'll be able to scroll through there and see all your different conversations. And yeah, that's how it will look on the menu.